जाएं और आप भी खाएं एक लुकिंग कौन, क्योंकि अब तो हर शो होगा एक लुकिंग कौन के साथ। कीप वॉचिंग डिजिटल बैटर। आज के हमारे जो गेस्ट हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, इफ आई से दैट ही इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट आर्टिस्ट हु एक्चुअली इंट्रोड्यूस्ड द caricature culture in Pakistan, it would not be wrong. He is famous for his murals and जूतों के बारे में तो आप जानते ही हैं. Let's welcome none other than Ramesh.
Hi, what's up? How's it going, everyone? क्या हाल? I was waiting for the sneaker वाली line. I was like, जूते कब बोलेगी?
जूते कब बोलेगी? जूते फौरन से आया, फौरन से.
Yeah.
So, how are you?
Pretty good, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Third
not
giveaway
too
कब
bad.
करेंगे?
अरे यार, this is zulm. यार, so I was supposed to do it like last week, but I was like, चलो थोड़ा सा मैं लोगों को और तड़पाता हूँ. तो फिर मैंने और बढ़ा दिया.
I hope that I win. I hope. मेरा है वो, मेरा है मैं बता रही हूँ.
एक लंबी लाइन लगी हुई है तुम्हारे पीछे.
बिल्कुल सही है. हम आपके साथ कुछ सेगमेंट खेलने वाले हैं जिसके अंदर I would be asking you few questions that how it's all started and everything और कुछ fun चीजें की. सही?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So segment number 1 that would be past का पिटारा. How does it feel like to be an artist? Like the person who actually introduced something that was हमारे लिए बहुत normal नहीं था.
Yeah.
New चीज introduce करने के बाद like you're the pioneer. How do you feel?
Yeah, okay, so these are very, very strong words. Like, I'm sure someone will call you out, no, Ramesh pioneer nahi hai. But, I mean, it feels good. I mean,
like, you're the one who is, can I see?
We pushed it. We really pushed it.
You guys did, right?
So, yeah, so personally, I think it felt great because this is something that we wanted to do for a very long time. And पाकिस्तान के अंदर ऐसी चीज़ जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था नहीं थी. I used to think कि यार ओके मैं कॉमिक बुक्स में पढ़ता हूँ, मैगजीन्स में चीज़ें देखता हूँ, and you couldn't see them in Pakistan. So being the artists who actually started doing that ourselves and then started making it really popular, I think it's a great feeling.
It is?
Yeah, and it makes us a lot of money, so.
Okay. बचपन की कोई ऐसी शरारत that you still remember that, oh,
I remember
I
a
did
lot.
that. You remember a lot?
Yeah.
What was the favorite one?
Yeah, so I broke my brother's arm. Sorry, man.
Alright, so growing up, did you ever thought that I am going to be the artist?
Yeah.
That was like,
oh, yeah, absolutely.
That was like बचपन से ही.
बहुत छोटी एज से I knew I was going to be an artist. In fact, बहुत सारी चीज़ें और बहुत सारे लोग बोलते रहते हैं. You know, इस तरह होता है ना. Like I said earlier कि engineer बनना है तुम्हें, ये बनना है तुम्हें.
लड़कों के लिए like engineer is the
pilot
fixed one.
बनना है, cricketer बनना है, whatever. I'm like नहीं, बस मुझे artist बनना है. I didn't know कि artist कैसे बनते हैं. ये artist कोई job होती है नहीं होती, but बस एक था कि बस मुझे artist बनना है.
Okay. I would say that you were a mischievous person.
Yeah.
So, including your family, like आपके भाई के साथ जिस तरीके से आपने उनके हाथ तोड़े हैं.
Yeah.
हाथ तोड़ा है, not हाथ तोड़े,
हाथ तोड़ा, एक हाथ तोड़ा है.
एक हाथ तोड़ा है. So, इसके अलावा like neighbors में आगे पीछे शरारत करना, जाके भाग जाना.
हाँ, शीशे तोड़े हैं, गाड़ी का शीशा तोड़ा है, बहुत सारी चीजें करी यार. अब it feels like मैं अब confession कर रहा हूँ कैमरे के ऊपर, but like we've done pretty stupid stuff.
So let's go for this next segment,
Yeah.
right? That will be मेरा मुंह मेरी मर्जी.
Okay, great, I love that.
Okay, so I would be giving you the name of some celebrities or maybe personalities, and you can say whatever you want about them. How about that?
Love that already.
है ना?
Yeah.
Okay, so Nasir Khandan.
Brave.
Brave.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sahil Lodi.
Poor, बेचारा.
Okay.
Been the I think that train you know went past बहुत time पहले, but अभी तक I think हर कोई उसको you know उस डंडे से हाँक रहा है. But I don't think I've personally had anything against him ever. हर किसी का एक नीश है, अगर उसके नीश के अंदर उसको लोग फॉलो करते हैं और रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं तो उस ग्रुप के बाहर के लोग जजमेंट जरूर करते होंगे, बट वो अपनी नीश के अंदर लेजेंड है भाई.
Yeah, true.
तो that's just on us कि हम कितना जज करें.
Okay. Khalilur Rahman.
That's the guy who wrote, जिसने वो अभी मार्वी शर्मा के अगेंस्ट वो बोला था ना. Yeah, that dude's extreme, man.
It is.
Yeah.
Indeed, it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Altaf Hussain.
Hilarious. यार एक पप्पी इधर एक पप्पी उधर. That was my favorite. That was my favorite.
Okay, Uzma Khan.
Uzma Khan is the girl who abhi
Yeah.
something Riyaz
Yeah,
family
something.
I would say homewrecker, but then I would also blame the guy for being equally responsible
So you
for.
think that both parties
Yeah, they were
equally
both
responsible?
equally responsible.
Okay, that's
You can't throw, in cases mein you can't throw the blame on
You know,
one
can I
side.
just be honest?
Yeah.
You're being the ideal guy for ladies out there. I'll be like,
Sorry, ladies. That train went by.
went by
बहुत
already.
पहले.
So yeah, that brings us to the end of this segment. Let's move on to the next one,
Let's.
Pandora box.
Okay.
What do you get the idea of Pandora box?
यार आई थिंक पैंडोरा's बॉक्स यही होगा कि पुराने घड़े निकाले जाएंगे.
That's my favorite. So that will be, I'll be saying a lot, like, okay, you can say yes or no,
No.
if it is true or not. Okay, I'll be saying that about the rumors that has
Yeah,
been,
yeah. Okay. Oh, मेरे ऊपर rumors हैं. Oh, wow. Okay.
I have quite a lot.
Okay.
So right, so rumor है कि आपको कोरोना हुआ था और आपकी मर्दाना कमजोरी पे उस पे अफेक्ट हुआ गया था.
I'd love to know कि किसने मेरी मर्दाना कमजोरी टेस्ट करी है.
I know, right? And I was like,
कौन थे आप या कौन थी आप? I'd love to know that. I'd love to know that. I'd love to know that. कोरोना हुआ था, yes.
The next one, rumor है कि खाने के आप शौकीन हैं. मुफ्ते के लिए you can go at any limits or maybe you can go. खाना मिलना चाहिए.
I actually don't like eating too much, and that's a
Okay.
pretty big oxymoron क्योंकि मेरा एक खाने का channel है. But I'm very, very
So would you consider
strict.
yourself a foodie?
No,
You're not.
I'm not. I think I would consider myself a food entertainer, and that's what we are when it comes
Yeah.
to Bros Meet the World. But मैं खाना तो नहीं खाता. I'm very strict.
रूमर है कि आपने अपनी जहेज की गाड़ी इसलिए ठुकरा दी क्योंकि आपकी अपनी गाड़ी आपकी महबूबा है.
Absolutely.
That's true. Right, okay. रूमर है कि अनपैकिंग की फील्ड में आप खुद को चैंपियन समझते हैं.
नहीं.
नहीं.
Not at all. But मैं जूतों में अपने आप को champion.
जूतों में तो भाई hands down. Okay. रूमर है कि आपको बचपन में बहुत जूते पड़े हैं अम्मा से और अब्बा से इसलिए आपको बड़े
जूतों का
होके
शौक
जूतों
है.
का शौक
That's
है.
very true.
That's
मुझे
very
बहुत
true.
पिटाई लगी है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Alright, so let's begin our next segment. That would be जवाब तो बनता है. जुनैद बंगाली,
Yeah, the
Right?
infamous.
महबूब आपके कदमों में, like
Yeah,
that
yeah.
sort of. इस तरीके का किसी ने म्यूरल बनाया या बनवाने के लिए कोई आया?
Yeah, I'd love to do something like that.
दुकानदार बन के कैसा लगता है, मतलब the caricature shop, like you're the owner of that, so how do
I
you
think I'm a very rude businessman.
Why?
Yeah, because I think I don't मुझसे ना वो freebie मांगने वाले या discount मांगने वाले लोग बर्दाश्त नहीं होते. I feel like
मुफ्ता नहीं.
मुफ्ता नहीं भी हो, but like यार किसी भी चीज में पैसे कम करवाना I feel like गलत बात है.
Okay, so it has been said that आप Marvel को copy करते हैं when you do the caricature.
Yeah.
Do you?
I am very
Or maybe you are
inspired.
inspired.
Yeah, absolutely. And
Yeah.
I'm very open about it. Marvel का जो style है, the coloring style, Marvel के अंदर भी कुछ artists हैं जो कुछ सालों के अंदर Marvel के साथ काम करते थे. तो उनका specific style मुझे बचपन से बहुत पसंद था. And I've actually learned coloring उनका style को देख
So you'll be like that would be the inspiration
yeah,
for
absolutely,
you. Okay,
absolutely.
perfect. लोग कहते हैं कि रामेश के काम से ज़्यादा उसकी ईगो बड़ी है.
That's true.
Alright, so that brings us to the end of the segment. Let's move on to the next one. This is my favorite. Like I'll be like, okay, I can actually imagine you doing that. So the next segment would be करके दिखाओ.
Oh man, that's
Then-
इसमें मैं बहुत गंदा perform करूँगा.
नवा आया है सोनिया. How do you perform that one?
क्या
The Sultan Rahi.
I know नवा आया है सोनिया यही था ना.
Yeah.
नवा आया है सोनिया.
But that was good. No, that was actually good. That was really good. Okay. जब बारिश होती है तो पानी आता है. ज़्यादा बारिश होती है तो ज़्यादा.
यार जब बारिश हुई थी तो मेरी गाड़ी डूब गई थी.
बोल के दिखाए.
जब बारिश होता है तो पानी आता है. नहीं ये तो मैं पठान बन गया.
Joey doesn't share food.
Joey doesn't share food. Joey doesn't share food. Joey doesn't share food.
ले लेंगे. But by the way, this is like Joey doesn't share food. It's like that. So okay, it's okay. रसोड़े में कौन था?
रसोड़े में कौन था? कौन था? कौन था? कौन था?
ये बिक गई है गवर्नमेंट.
ये बिक गई है गवर्नमेंट.
Okay. Hasta la vista, baby.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Like in the Terminator style.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Igloo King Cone. Big in size, big on taste.
Alright, so this brings us to the end of this segment. Okay. So let's go a little bit on digital side.
Okay.
I will be giving you some names.
Yeah.
आपने मुझे बताना है that regarding for that features or maybe for their qualities, how do you rate them? So
Okay.
this segment is actually called rating. So on looks, you need to rate them. Ayaz Samo,
Ayaz Samo, Raza Samo. Wait, who's Ayaz Samo? Wait, who's Ayaz Samo? Wait, who's Ayaz Samo? I
Ayaz
know.
Samo, he's an actor.
Sorry,
Awesome,
beauty
right? I
department.
know, yeah. But Ayaz Samo is an actor.
Okay.
Fawad Khan, Humayun Saeed, or Faisal Qureshi. How do you rate them? As
Fawad Khan, Faisal Qureshi, Humayun, Saeed, and आखिरी वाले मुझे पता नहीं है. Like
Okay.
I don't know the Ayaz.
So you
yeah.
don't know this, so
Yeah,
you wouldn't
yeah,
know this.
yeah.
Okay. Content basis.
Yeah.
Karachi Vines, CBA, Arsalan Nasir, Bekar Films, or Muro.
Muru, Bekar Films, Karachi Wines, Comics Verslan.
Okay. Controversies. Meera Ji, Yasir Hussain, Amil Liaquat, or Mariam Nawaz.
पहले आखिरी वाला कौन सा बोला?
Mariam Nawaz.
Mariam Nawaz. I think Mariam Nawaz.
For controversies?
Not controversies, but she's always in the news, right?
Yeah.
Y-
Okay,
It's,
okay.
it is. It's not controversy, but it's like it is controversy.
is.
Meera, Amir, yeah, Meera तो खैर बेचारी यार, she's gone so soft now. So I think Amir Liaquat और तीसरा कौन सा था?
Yasir Hussain.
Yasir Hussain is I don't like him, so yeah, Meera and Yasir Hussain. I just put him in the
Acha.
end.
Okay. For roasting,
Okay.
Ducky Bai, Raza Samo,
Raza Samo, yeah.
Shamir, Abba, like.
Shamir Abbas, ultimate gang. Khair, I think Raza, Ducky, and then Shamir.
Okay. Myths that you believe in. बिल्ली रास्ता काट के चली गई.
I think it's hilarious.
Okay.
You're giving so much power to the little cat, yeah.
है ना? Like I love cats. Like why? Okay. शाम के वक्त नाखून नहीं काटने चाहिए.
I don't know.
You don't believe in
I
that?
believe in
Okay. शीशा टूट जाना तो that means something is.
I don't
no?
believe in that.
Okay. हाथ में अगर खुजली हो रही है तो
पैसा
पैसा
है. I believe in that.
You believe in that. और अगर दूसरे हाथ में खुजली हो रही है तो that means पैसा जाने वाला है. You believe in that as well?
नहीं, I'm like दोनों
पैसा
हाथ में
बस
कुछ
आ
पैसा आ
रहा
रहा है, जा
है.
नहीं
बस आ रहा है. All right. So yeah, that will be all for this segment, and you did pretty good. All right. We would be moving on to the next segment. It would be ye ya wo. So you need to choose. Like that will be a rapid fire sort of. ठीक है. Netflix or YouTube? You need a quick.
YouTube.
YouTube. Okay. Marvel or DC?
Marvel.
Vlog or caricature?
Vlog.
Captain America or Iron Man?
Iron Man.
Amir Liaquat or Fahd Mustafa?
Amir Liaquat.
Arranged marriage or love marriage?
So somewhere in the middle.
You wanna mix it up?
Yeah.
Okay. Irfan Juneja or Junaid Akram?
Irfan Junaid.
Getting caught with Mehwish Hayat or Deepika?
Mehwish Hayat.
Okay. Trump.
That would make more noise.
Okay. Trump or Modi?
Trump, unfortunately.
Khala ya Popo?
Khala, definitely.
Tom and Jerry or Pink Panther?
Tom and Jerry.
Kids or puppies?
Kids.
Game of Thrones or Money Heist?
Game of Thrones.
Friends or 50 Shades of Grey?
Friends. I haven't watched 50 Shades of Grey.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So.
सच है, okay. मैं इतना एंजल नहीं बन रहा, सच है.
That was good. Okay, so the time that you like corona or dengue, do you think what is lethal?
Yeah, definitely Corona for me.
Corona for
Yeah,
you, because
yeah.
you have experience. right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so this brings us to the end of this segment. You did pretty good.
Yes. Pretty good with that.
Surprisingly. Okay. Alright, so let's move on. I'll be asking you some things. You need to be fast and honest.
Okay.
Okay, that you've done that or not.
Okay.
बारिश में डांस किया?
Yeah.
Laughed at a serious moment?
Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know, so many.
Okay. गुस्से में गाली दी है?
Oh yes.
Oh yes. ये नॉर्मल भी दे दी?
हाँ.
Okay. दादी नानी को मफाद के लिए मार दिया हो?
नहीं भाई क्या हो गया?
मतलब यूजुअली लोग कहते हैं
Oh वैसे yeah, I thought हम असल में बात कर रहे
नहीं, मफाद
Oh I
मफाद।
went dark real fast. नहीं हाँ वो मारा.
Okay, alright. कभी रिपोर्ट कार्ड के ऊपर जेल सिग्नेचर्स?
No.
नेवर. चलती रिक्शा में नंबर किसी के पास? ये लो.
No.
सबा को इजी लोड करवाया?
नहीं.
कभी शॉपलिफ्ट किया?
नहीं, नो.
No. Okay. Why did you?
मैं सोच रहा था क्या मैंने करा है, पता नहीं, I paid for
बेल
it.
बजा के भागे हो.
Oh yes.
Oh yes. कभी फेक अकाउंट से किसी लड़की
Yes. Wait, लड़की हो क्या? I thought लड़के की तरफ जा रहा था. Okay.
किसी फेक अकाउंट से
Yeah.
लड़की बन के बात की हो.
हाँ, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Ever dated someone from the industry that you are in?
No.
Never. Love letter लिखा हो आपने.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. मस्जिद से चप्पल एक्सचेंज.
नहीं, मेरी चप्पलें बहुत अच्छी होती हैं. कभी कभी ये जूते भी पहन जाता हूँ मैं.
कभी मुफ्त की पिटाई पड़ी हो दोस्त के चक्कर में?
हाँ. Yeah.
पड़ी हुई है. Okay. लंबी लंबी कभी छोड़ी हो किसी के आगे?
नहीं. Not really.
Okay. मांग के कपड़े पहने हो
Yes.
या जूते?
No, जूते नहीं, कपड़े. Yes.
अप्रैल फुल बनाया हो किसी को?
हाँ, yeah.
So that brings us to the end of this segment, and let's move on to the finale and the final segment, and that is one of my favorite.
ये सबने किया.
So you need to be positive.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm very positive.
You were very positive. You're be positive as well. Okay, that was lame. But
I am actually be positive.
you are. I'm be positive as well. We're twinning. We're twinning. Okay. So I am going to give you some lines. Let's see how positive your mind works.
Okay.
तेरी माँ की,
चूड़ियाँ,
तेरी बहन की,
गाड़ी
कुत्ते,
के बच्चे, छोटे छोटे पपी, so cute है.
okay, very cute, के इलेक्ट्रिक की,
तारे,
जो के टूट फूट जाती है हर जगह, हराम,
और पॉजिटिव करना है. ओह मैन, हराम हलाल, हराम स्लैश हलाल.
हराम स्लैश हलाल.
हराम
हराम नहीं
positive
खाना,
क्या होता है?
हराम नहीं खाना चाहिए.
अच्छा, मुझे
हराम.
पूरे सेंटेंसेस बोल सकता हूँ
Yes.
मैं? ओके, यस, हराम खाना गलत बात है बच्चों.
बच्चों, जी बिल्कुल. इसकी तो मैं
शादी करवा दूंगा.
Okay, so you don't need the rishta auntie anymore.
I'll do it for you.
You do it. You do it. तेरी तो
गाना जुगनी.
okay, so you did pretty good, and that
So
is
positive, right?
you're very positive, and I actually had fun. So yeah, that would be all for
This
us.
was a fun show, man.
This was
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah,
Did
I
you like-
really had a
Okay.
good time.
Right. So this brings us to the end of this show. I hope you guys like it. उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको पसंद आएगा. I had fun. He
Yeah.
is an amazing guy. Third giveaway. याद रखिएगा.
किसी को नहीं मिलेगा.
आप लोग अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए, खुश रहिए, आबाद रहिए, and do watch us again. Bye bye.
And
Ammonia.
so, I mean, I remember quite a few of them,
Okay,
but yeah,
alright,
it was a pretty interesting childhood.
कच्ची गोलियां?
What is that voice? दरवाजा है ना ये? Sorry, मैं यहीं से पिकअप कर लेना. Yeah, कच्ची गोली.
मैं तुम्हें जान से मार दूंगी. मैं तुम्हें जान से मार दूंगी.
No, but seriously, like, do you know about कच्ची गोली? Or something else?
Just forget it. The favorite saying of Altaf Hussain we can get on camera. Bye Ramesh.
Yeah, I think
Famous कि मर्दाना कमजोरी पे उस पे अफेक्ट हुआ गया था.
I love to know कि किसने मेरी मर्दाना कमजोरी टेस्ट करी है.
I know, right? And I was like,
But with art I'm very straight up कि भाई आपको करवाना है करवाएं वरना आप निकल लें, कट लें बस. हाँ,
Okay.
sorry. Please don't forget to
नहीं
subscribe.
नहीं और कुछ करना था मुझे.
रोकना नहीं, टेक नहीं रोकना.
हाँ, खुश रहे, आबाद रहे, all that stuff.